Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning about word problems. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright, step number 1 in word problems, guys, we have to understand the question. Alright, so in this question they're saying that a man sold 2 articles at 1,955 rupees each. So let's write that down. So selling price of the first one is 1,955, right? And selling price of the second one is 1,955, right guys, is 1,955. On the first one, guys, he gains 15%, so profit percent is equal to 15%, and in the second one the loss percent is equal to 15%, right guys? Loss percent is equal to 15%. Now the question wants us to find the total gain or loss and the total gain or loss percent. Okay, so for us to find that, first we have to find the total cost price. So let's go ahead and find the cost price in this one. So CP in this one is equal to 100 over 115. Now it is 115 because in this one he made a profit of 15%, right? And multiplied with 1,955. Now if we use the help of a calculator, guys, we will get 1,700. So 1,700 is the cost price of the first one, where he made a profit of 15%. Now in the second one, boys and girls, he made a loss of 15%. So the CP is equal to 100 over 85. In this one it will be 85 because 100 minus 15 is 85, and multiply with 1,955, right? Now again, if we use the help of the calculator here, boys and girls, we would have 2,300, right? So this is the cost price of the second one. So now we have found the cost prices, right? So let's find the total cost price now. So the total cost price is equal to 1,700 plus 2,300 is equal to 4,000, right guys, is equal to 4,000. Now the total selling price, so total SP is 1,955 plus 1,955, which would give us 3,910, right guys, 3,910. Now in this case we see that the cost price is more than the selling price, right? Therefore it will definitely be a loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, it is a loss. Now let's go ahead and find the loss now. So loss is equal to CP minus SP, which is equal to 4,000 minus 3,910, which is equal to 90, right? So we have found the first one, what they're looking for. They're asking what is the total loss or profit. In this case the total loss is 90 rupees. Now we got to find the total loss percent, right? So what is the loss percent formula? Loss over CP multiplied with 100, right guys? Now what is the loss in this case? The loss is 90 over the total CP is 4,000 and multiply with 100, right guys? Now let's see what can simplify. This 2 zeros, this 2 zeros can simplify, this 0 and this 0 can simplify, and 9 over 4 is equal to 2.25%. So the total loss percentage in this one will be 2.25%. Alright guys, now that is how we would solve this question. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing, guys, as that will help me a lot. Alright, now until next time, guys, have a nice day.